Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Pickle Power. This is their 2-battery rechargeable replacement batteries for the NP-F550 and USB charger. We're going to take a look at it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at how this comes packaged. It comes in a plain brown box here from Pickle Power. So you do have the charger on top. This is going to be a dual unit charger. And we also get a user guide here that's going to be in multiple languages. So if English isn't your first language, you're not going to have a problem here. You can see that it has an integrated USB cable to it, which is very nice. And they give you some basic specs here as well for the in and out of the charging. So you do have 5 volt, 2 amp via USB Type-C or micro USB, and output of 2 by 8.4 volts, 5 watts. So you do have those specs there. Now you do get an extra cable. It's a USB Type A to micro USB. And you can plug this in to charge it if you don't want to use the included USB charger. And you can also use your own USB Type-C charger. Now they do give us 2 batteries here as well. And these are replacement batteries for the NP-F550 model and a few others that will take the same battery. I'm going to be using these for LED lights and things like that, but you'll know whether your digital camera or other devices will take this type of battery. We can see on the back here that it is a lithium-ion battery. It's 7.2 volts at 2600 milliamps, and it's a replacement for the F550 or the F570 specifically. And you've got all your normal notches here that you would see on that replacement battery. So let's take a look at the charger as well. This is a dual USB charger. It has a USB cable that is built into it, which I kind of like. If you need to just kind of use this cable, you can unhook it and it will extend around the device. And then it's got a dual-sided USB connection where you can just hook this into any laptop's USB or your AC to USB adapter to the wall. That'll work just fine, and it will go in either way to start up, which is really great. So this charger itself will accommodate both batteries, and the cool thing about that is always being able to at least have one charging while you are using the other one, and if you do need to charge both at the same time, you can, or if you have other batteries as well that will fit, you can use this as a package deal. So again, pretty simple here. I've got this charger hooked up to a USB port with its built-in cable, and you're going to see 2 blue icons here that will show you that it is ready and it's powered on. Again, if we want to use micro USB instead of the built-in cable, we can do that with our AC adapter or a PC or laptop's USB port. And if you want to switch to USB-C, it does have that input as well. So now what we want to do is just slot the batteries in. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and you'll see that we do get a charging indicator with green bars letting you know how close it is to being charged: 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. And I can do both of them at the same time. It'll handle it at a slower rate, but they do have no problems. I haven't had any issues with this charger working. So if you're looking for a replacement charger, you might want to check out this one from Pickle Power. They offer the charger and 2 batteries at the same time. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.